Welcome to my channel ZimBuzz Reloaded. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Zimbabwe has officially approved a major medical breakthrough, the long-acting HIV prevention drug called Lenacapavir. This is a huge moment in the fight against HIV, especially for a country where thousands remain at risk of infection. Lenacapavir has been described as a game-changer, a drug that could dramatically reduce new infections and give people more control over their health. Recently, the Medicines Control Authority of Zimbabwe, MCAZ, announced that it had completed an expedited review and approved Lenacapavir in just 23 days. This fast approval shows how important this drug is, not only for Zimbabwe but for global public health. MCAZ said this medicine is of major significance because it brings powerful new hope to adults and adolescents who need better HIV protection. Saka mushona chinoti, jala chiti mushonga uyi unongopiwa kamwe chete mu mwezi mitanatu, vanhu vakawanda vanogona kuwana chengetedzo yakasimba. Akuchinazve kukurudzira vanhu kuti vanomapiritsi mazuva ese, vanenge vasisina danho rekuramba vachikanganwa. Lenacapavir rinobatsira kuchengetedza vanhu vari panjodzi guru rekubatwa neHIV, especially youth, couples, nevakadzi vari mumisha yehurumende. Lenacapavir was developed by Gilead Sciences after almost 20 years of research. It is known by two brand names, Yestugo, which is used for prevention, and Sunlenca, which is used for treatment. In large clinical trials conducted in the US, Europe, and African countries like Zambia and Eswatini, the drug showed nearly 100% effectiveness in preventing HIV. In one of the major trials, out of 2,179 people who received the twice-yearly injection, only 2 were infected, meaning 99.9% remained protected. This is far better than daily pill options like Truvada. Global scientists have called Lenacapavir one of the most important breakthroughs of our time. The journal Science even named it the Breakthrough of the Year in 2024. Experts say a twice-yearly injection instead of daily or monthly pills can help reduce stigma, improve adherence, and make HIV prevention more accessible. Mushona tinoti, izvi zvinobatsira zvikuru nekuti vanhu havachadi kutorwa kwemishonga nguva dzese kana kuonekwa nevanakidzani vachipinda maclinics nguva nenguva. So how does Lenacapavir work? The drug attaches itself to the HIV capsid, the protective shell of the virus. By targeting that shell, Lenacapavir stops the virus from multiplying if someone is exposed. That means even if the virus enters the body, it cannot spread, giving the person strong protection. The injection is administered under the skin, usually in the abdomen or thigh, and must be given by a trained healthcare professional. People are tested for HIV before each injection because Lenacapavir must never be used by someone who is already HIV positive. The approval is for adults and adolescents weighing 35 kilograms or more who are at higher risk of infection. Healthcare providers are responsible for ensuring people stick to the schedule. However, like all medicines, Lenacapavir comes with possible side effects, mostly injection site reactions such as pain, redness, swelling, small lumps, or itching. Experts also warn that Lenacapavir should not be used together with certain medications like rifampicin or phenytoin because they reduce its effectiveness. Some African researchers have also raised concerns about dosage suitability for African populations and the challenge of access in low-income countries due to cuts in global health funding. One important clarification is that Lenacapavir does not cure HIV or AIDS. Gilead has said clearly that there is still no cure. Instead, this drug is a powerful prevention option that can drastically lower risk and help slow down the epidemic. It's also being studied as part of future long-acting treatment combinations for those already living with HIV. Many countries are already reviewing or approving the drug. The European Medicines Agency is fast-tracking it, and regulatory agencies in Australia, Brazil, Canada, South Africa, Argentina, Mexico, and Peru are also processing applications. Globally, the goal is to make the drug widely available and affordable. For Zimbabwe, this approval represents a major step forward. With HIV still affecting millions worldwide, a twice-yearly prevention option could change lives, empower communities, and reduce stigma. Mushonatinoti, izvi zvinouyanza taripo. Taripo yekuti hutachiwana hwe-HIV hunogona kudziviridzwa dziri nani, uye kuti ramangano reZimbabwe linogona kuva rakachengetedzekana zvikuru. This is ZimBuzz Reloaded, bringing you the stories that matter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on everything trending in Zimbabwe and beyond.